Hi, I'm Mary Payne, and I live in Blytheville, Arkansas, and I have lived here my whole life. I have worked for the same company for almost 20 years as a customer service rep. I have decided to make a change in my career. I just started a Master's of Arts in Teaching. I am doing the non-traditional way to get a teaching license. I hope that I can teach elementary reading, science, or social studies. I want to strengthen children's minds. I want to help children become excited about learning. My expectations for this program is to learn what it is to become a successful teacher. I want to learn how to promote an engaging classroom. Something interesting I can't talk about me is I have a 12-year-old son who just started the 7th grade this year. He has not liked it because he started basketball. And it's a lot of work. And I have 2 stepdaughters. They're amazing and very smart. They're both, one is 11 and one is 12. And that's it. I look forward to working with everybody this semester.